Are you a financial journalist or a public relations professional? If so, I'd like to ask for your help. My name is James. Here's the problem, and that is private investors and business owners have been indoctrinated by the legal community and also the Secretary of State to use corporations and LLCs. This is because of the fact that they generate billions of dollars in revenue every single year. In exchange for those franchise taxes you pay, those filing fees, and also that corporate veil compliance, the state will grant you permission to operate that business organization. And unless you comply and pay all those fees, your personal assets are at risk. Now, in addition to that, the state will publish your business details on the internet. So anybody can look up your business filing. And you know about personal identity theft. Did you know that business identity theft is an even bigger risk? It's a bigger target. So what's the alternative? Well, centuries ago in England, it required an act of parliament in order to get a corporate charter. So the business guy said, there's got to be something easier. Well, there is, and it was hiding in plain sight. It was called the English Trust Instrument. So what they did was they adopted it and they formed thousands of business trust companies in the ensuing years. Now here in the United States, we also have business trust organizations. $1 trillion mutual funds and REITs are set up as these business trust organizations. And the United States Supreme Court validated this form of business organization in 1935. So why don't more business people know about these business trust organizations? Well, because of the fact that in most cases, they're exempt from Secretary of State registration. The state, the legal community would lose all that money. They would lose control over you. And yet at the same time, the business trust structure will still give you limited liability. You get safety because of the fact that you got that privacy factor. And also you have income tax options. Now, they're just like a living trust in the sense that they're private. I mean, there's no registration. So really, this is what we call freedom. Isn't this what we all want? So who are these business trusts for? They're for proactive business owners and entrepreneurs that have high value assets. They have real estate. They have brokerage accounts. They have experience filing with the Secretary of State, these business organizations. They also have done business income taxes over the years. So that's who your target is. Now, people ask, well, who are you guys? Well, we are the world's foremost authority on business trust organizations for private investors and business owners. We both teach and instruct. We have a book called The Uncorporation, which teaches about business trust history and applications. You can get it on Amazon. And we also instruct using an e-seminar, a business trust e-seminar, which will instruct you how to set up and operate your business trust. It's got strategies in there too. You can get that on the Trustarte website. And there are a ton of videos on our YouTube channel that you can check out. So if you're a financial journalist or a public relations professional that could help us, I'd invite you to reach out. Please send me an email. Talk about your background, where we could get some placement, what this would cost, what type of engagement you're looking for. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching.